Welcome to Decoding for Kids. The idea of this channel is to introduce coding to kids at early stage. In this video, we are going to see Make a Flappy Game. By playing this game, kids will get an understanding of how coding blocks work. Now let's play puzzle 6 to 9 in this video. Okay guys, this is puzzle 6 and the instructions given is see if you can still score a point after making Flappy flap either a smaller or larger amount. So if you see here, they have given two new blocks, flap a normal amount. So I'm placing this flap a normal amount block under when click block, and you can click the drop down and change to large or small, whatever you wish. And I'm placing a score a point block under this. Now if I click the run button, you will see Flappy moving up and down and the score being displayed in the screen. See, the score is increasing as I click. Yeah, that's it. Puzzle 6 is completed. Now click continue to go to the next puzzle. This is puzzle 7 and the instructions given is next try changing the scene by attaching another block to the when run block. So in this they have said to you have to change the scenery behind. So they have given a new block sets scene block and I'm placing it under when run block. Here you can change the scenery to whatever you want. I'm changing it to cave. So if I click the run button, you can see the scenery changing. See, the scene got changed. Yeah, puzzle 7 is completed. Click continue. This is puzzle 8 and the instructions given is you can set visuals anytime, not just when the game starts. Try setting a random scene when other events happen. For example, when passing an obstacle. So in the previous puzzle, if you see, I have changed the scene when the game starts. Now we are going to change the scene into a random scene when you are going to pass the obstacle. So I am placing this set scene block over here and changing this to random. Now if I click the run button, you can see the scene changing when Flappy is passing through the obstacle. See, when Flappy got passed through the obstacle, the scene got changed. Yeah, puzzle 8 is completed. Click continue to go to the next puzzle. This is puzzle 9 and the instructions given is to mix things up when hitting an obstacle, instead of ending the game, try setting the score back to 0. Yeah, in the previous puzzles you have seen that when Flappy hits an obstacle, the game will be over. Now they have said you're going to set the score back to 0. So I'm placing this set score under when hit an obstacle block. So they have given another new block, set the player. So I'm placing this block over here under when click block and changing this player to Santa. Now instead of Flappy, a Santa will appear. See, when passing through the obstacle, your score will be 1, and if you hit the obstacle, it will change to 0. Yeah, that's it, guys. Now I have completed puzzle 6 to 9. See you all in another video. Thanks for watching.